Hello guys, so we're playing MLBB Hanabi. So what I did in this play is just spacing out because there's a roam that I have, and even if there wasn't a roam on this first video, I didn't fully commit because I'm not sure if the roam is very good at roaming or he just wants to kill. So I just back off, waited for that gold, and I got the gold. And this was not the end of the play, so just wait for a moment because Hellcourt will try to initiate. When you're Hanabi, you don't have to press second skill early because this is what happens when you don't press early. You have to wait because it has a long cooldown, and this is me overcommitting because I thought it was a single hero. But they had a core. Yes, all 4 heroes were on that video. For the next one, we know we're at advantage, so we're just facing Mia because he's faster at attacking. So I have a shield, but I don't want to commit, so I'm just going for gold. And the next place here are just you need to farm safe because you don't know if there's cores or EXP or assassins. And this is the next video. The Hellcourt is overcommitting every time, but because we are also in the vicinity, this is another video where I try to just push the tower. Problem is there was a lot of hero I didn't saw in the map because I was recording. So there are total of 4. I almost killed one of them, but turns out I can't sustain. This is me. I think I'm going to kill Mia here. Even if he had the SS, just to counter Mia is don't really overcommit, especially when she has SS. This one is me also overcommitting. Yeah, this is overcommitting. I got hit 2 times, which I shouldn't have, and resulting in death. Yeah. So this is me trying to kill the mage. I succeeded accidentally because there's a tower. And this is me thinking that I could kill the assassin, the core. Yeah, I didn't. So yeah, we get the kill, and this one is just me assisting the Lord because there's a saber here and baiting their EXP to overcommit to me. So I'm not hitting the XP early on because I want him to follow me because I know there's a mage, and yeah, so you just need to follow me for as long as possible, then overcommitting and killing the XP because Lucas is not good for 1v1. He can kill me. So this is me with SS, and don't go back because I can get hit again, so I just never got home and just lifesteal on the lane. So I came back after Hellcourt died and followed up with the core. Unfortunately the core died, but I got to buy my immortality because this is what happens when you have immortality. So the assassin keeps killing me, so I have to build that, and yeah, Lucas overcommit again thinking there's only 2 heroes that don't know how to use Hanabi. So this is me just baiting again in the game. Just always bait, don't overcommit, because as you can see in the last few clips, me overcommitting results in me dying even though I can sustain, because 4 heroes cannot be killed easily. So this is me baiting him because I have immortality. So yeah, even if he can kill me, I know there's a teammate close by. So that's what happened when you can kill the hero. But this is me on cooldown to immortality, so boy of queen, and I thought I could survive that, and resulting in death again, overcommitting. If you're using Hanabi multiple times, just don't overcommit and wait for the assassins to use. Yeah, this is my overcommitting, but I overcommit this because we saw that there's only a few heroes and resulting killing everyone. Yeah, but we lost everyone. But what's good about this is the mage knows the priority is not pushing or but destroying the tower, because it's the last tower. There's no more tower.